Since we are treating corporate entities, what are the different types of taxes that are applicable to them?
Corporate entities don't pay taxes on their income to the state, but they are obliged to deduct on behalf of the state, act as agents of the state, to deduct from remuneration that they pay to their employees, payments that they make to their compensation that they pay to their vendors, and then remit same to the state. So we are talking of personal income tax. We have the withholding taxes on the various kind of ventures that they have with their vendors who supply services to them. Then you have capital gains tax that comes from when they lay off their staff that they need also to pay to the state government. You know, when they pay compensation for loss of office, then they deduct the capital gains tax and then remit same to the state government. Of course, there are some levies like the business premises levy, which they pay, and then they also act as agent for development levy for their staff, which they remit to the state government. The corporate entities are just agents of the state in helping to deduct taxes and remitting same to the states.
I've come across this term a few times, best of judgment assessment. Could you share more light regarding it?
Okay. Best of judgment actually arises basically from the word itself. It's the best of judgment of the tax authority. It means that the taxpayer or the agent of the taxpayer has not filed returns to the tax authority. So because you have not done that, or you have filed a return that the tax authority finds a bit doubtful, then based on its own experience of the industry in which that taxpayer is operating, can say, okay, you can't say you are in the oil industry as a driver in the oil industry and you claim that you are paying your staff 50,000 naira per month, because we know that in the oil industry, average driver there earns above $500,000 monthly. So you understand. So the tax authority will now use its own best of judgment based on its industry knowledge to say, no, that driver A, I'm charging minimum of 500,000 per month for that person, because I know in the industry they have collective agreements which says this is how much you pay.